Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I've got a brand new album design that I really think you'll enjoy. Welcome in, friends. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick project share. And if you're new, it's just wonderful to be here with you. I actually finally created my son's first scrapbook. I know it sounds silly, it took me about 10 years to get around to it, but it's finally here, and it's all full of pictures. And this is a brand new album design, and I'll leave the link to the class down in the description. It was a true journey putting this together. I was time traveling as I was looking at his little baby pictures, and I just had so much fun. Love the acetate feel on this one. You can see through the side of the book. And if you're wondering what it's like to sit in class with me, I have a free tutorial here on YouTube for you, the Choice Folio. So I use this awesome ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and this paper is from Hobby Lobby. It just comes in a pack. It has ephemera, stickers. This is Welcome Home, Baby. Little sentiment right there. He's only a couple days old right here. I'm getting emotional just looking through this book with you. A little bundle of joy. Of course, we all know what that picture is, and this is actually a tab where I can journal on the back with Samson on the front of the book right here. So there's a little plastic sleeve, and it was just so easy to make. I cannot believe it. We do have this awesome little box, and you're probably thinking, Frances, what in the world is in this box? Oh my gosh. You know what? This box actually comes off. It's a magnetic attachment. You can get in here and get all that fun, cute stuff right outside of this little acetate pouch. So there it is, all these fun little inserts inside there. And this just magnetizes back right here. With photos, everything matted. It fits perfectly into this book. So I'm so excited to say that I've actually added photos into one of my own designs, and I can see the way it really works. So here's the first insert. I just think it's so cute that he's sleeping right here. And there's an awesome little pocket on the front. These are dimensional foam tape popped up. And we have a cute little booklet. I just closed it with a little bit of twine and put an ephemera piece right there. Sweet dreams. And there he is. It says Precious on there, and I got a cute little leaf. He's smiling while he's sleeping. And we have this beautiful birchwood paper right there. And that slips right back inside. And then on the very back, you got another picture. I love that cute little lion. I just thought this was so much fun. I doodled like crazy. And then the ephemera pack actually had these cute little frames. So I just attached mine right on there. Wild one. And this is him so excited. Oh my goodness, sitting in his high chair. And I couldn't decide which one was cuter. So I ended up just putting front and back, like I always say that you can do. So this is just a floating frame. And then we have such a cutie on the back. I just love it. And then there's this really cool acetate little pouch frame here that you could see through the box on the side as well. And we have like a little swing closure and then another angle on there. And you know, you could stack about, it almost seems like 15 to 20 pictures in here, but I have some of those fun little elements, and a stack of pictures can fit in there. See all these cute little... And the ephemera pack came with some of these little circle months all the way up to the first year, but I ended up just putting Samson's younger pictures throughout the book however I wanted, and on the back of this element, you have another spot for a picture. How cute! Oh my goodness. And here's another little insert, and I got little doors right here, and check it out, we've got a waterfall inside. All these little zoomed in pictures of his face. I just love it so much. And then you would just tie this back up to keep it closed and give it a flip, and there's the back. A nice landscape picture right there. He had a neutral theme before he was born, so this paper pack just was perfect. So I love this little element. I just thought it was so cute. Dream big, little one. Here's a little belly band that just slips off. And right there you see my hand and his little one. This opens up and you've got a cute, okay, little pocket. His face is peeking up just like the sun. And there's Samson. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. Got an awesome pocket in here and two little picture side spots right there. Love the rainbow sticker and the little binky. And on the very back, we have this wonderful spot for pictures again. nice hidden pocket back there. That's him in his car seat. So I love how the belly band actually fit in here, even though I put that tab on. And on the very back, you've got him. So the wonderful thing about these inserts is that you have picture space on the very back of these elements as well. It truly was so much fun to build this, and I really know that you would make an incredible book, and really, it could be any theme you'd like. And all these just tuck right back in here, and they fit just perfectly. I really truly can't express how much fun it was to really put this together and how special it is to just revisit these memories and finally have a place for them all. There's only one thing left to do. That's to write my signature. Thanks again, everyone, so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.